पाठक पीजीटी केमिस्ट्री चिरंजीव भारती स्कूल आशियाना लखनऊ. This is class 10th chemistry lesson 2 acids, bases and salts. Today I am going to define acids, bases and salts. First, acids. Acids, this is Latin word derived from acidus. Acids, Latin word derived from acidus means sour, khatta. According to Arrhenius concepts of acids and bases, the substances which gives H plus ion ionize in water to give H plus ion, that is called acids. For example, hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. Ionize in water to give H plus ion. That's why it is called acids. So now litmus test. Suppose you have test tube in which acids are taken. Acids. You dip blue litmus into acids. Color of blue litmus changes to red color. That's why this is acid. Now, classification of acids. Classification of acids. First, origin, that can be categorized into two parts. First, organic, second, inorganic. Organic acids, inorganic acids. Organic acids are those acids which can be obtained by natural substances, that will be called organic acids. For example, citric acids obtained from lemons. Formic acids obtained from ants. Third, acetic acids obtained from vinegar. Now, inorganic acids. First, hydrochloric acid. These are not obtained from natural resources. That is called inorganic acids. First, hydrochloric acid. Second, sulfuric acid. Third, nitric acid. Formula of hydrochloric acid will be HCl. Formula of sulfuric acid will be H2SO4. Formula of nitric acid will be HNO3. Second category, classification of acids, that will be strength. That can be categorized into two parts. First, strong acids. Second, weak acids. Strong acids are those acids which ionize in water to give excess amount of H plus ion, that will be called strong acids. Example, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Second, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemicals. Now, weak acids. Weak acids are those acids which ionize in water to give less amount of H plus ion, that is called weak acids. Example, acetic acid. Now, third category, basicity. Basicity can be defined as the number of H plus ion released by the acids, that will be on the basis of basicity. Acids can be categorized into three categories. First, mono basic acids. Example, HCl, which ionize to give H plus ion plus Cl minus ion. Here only one hydrogen ion is released. Due to that, basicity of hydrochloric acid will be 1. That's why it is called mono basic acids. Acids are hydrochloric acid, releases only one H plus ion, basicity will be 1. That's why this is called mono basic acid. Mono term used for 1. Second, di-basic acid. Example, H2SO4 ionize in water to gives 2H plus ion plus SO4 double minus ion. Here 2H plus ion is released. That's why basicity will be 2. That's why it is called di-basic acids. Di means 2, mono means 1. Third, tri-basic acids. Example, H3PO4. H3PO4 ortho, name of this acid is ortho phosphoric acid. Three H plus ion plus PO4 triple minus ion. it releases 3H plus ion, so it is called tri-basic acids. Due to release of 3H plus ion, it is called tri-basic acid. Orthophosphoric acid is acid, but basicity of orthophosphoric acid will be 3. Due to this reason, it is called tri-basic acid. Concentration, classification of acid on the basis of concentration. It can be categorized into two parts. First, dilute acids. Second, concentrated acid. In concentrated acid, 100% will be acid. That will be called concentrated acids. In dilute acids, there will be less amount of acids which can be dissolved in water, that will be called dilute acids. But in concentrated acids, no requirement of water. Now bases. They are the substances that produce OH minus ions in water. That is called bases. For example, NaOH. In acids, acids are the substances that ionize in water to give H plus ions. That will be called acids. Example, HCl. According to Arrhenius concept of acid and bases, definition of acids are the substances that ionize in water to give H plus ions. Example, HCl. Definition of bases, they are the substances that produce OH minus ion in water to, for example, NaOH. A base that is soluble in water, that is called an alkali. Bases are bitter in taste. Kadwa. Now litmus test. Litmus paper test. These are bases. In which you dip red litmus bases turns red litmus into blue. That will be called base. Classification of base. Classification of base. First, strength. Second, concentration. Third, acidity. On the basis of strength, it can be divided into two parts. First, strong base, and second, weak base. Strong base are those substances which give more amount, excess amount of OH minus ion in water. That will be called strong base. Weak base are those base which gives less amount of OH minus ion in ionization. That will be called weak base. Example of strong base: sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. This is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Strong base are those bases in which complete ionization takes place. In second category, weak base in which partial ionization can take place. That will be called weak base. Now concentration. On the basis of concentration, bases can be categorized into two parts. First one is known as dilute. Second one is known as concentrated. In concentrated absolute dissolved in water, that will be called dilute. In concentrated bases, 100% bases will be present. Third category, acidity. First, mono acid base. Second, di acid base. Third, tri acid base. First category, mono acid base. Example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide ionized to give Na plus OH minus ion. According to Arrhenius' concept of acid and bases, the substances which ionize in water to give OH minus ion, that will be base. Here only one OH minus ion is released. That's why its acidity will be 1. That's why it is called mono acid base. Mono 1, acid base, mono acid base. Second, di-acid base. Example, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. On dissociation gives Ca plus 2 OH minus ion. Here 2 hydroxyl ion is released, so acidity will be 2. That's why it is called di-acid base. Di means 2 OH ion is released here. Third, tri-acid base. Example, AlOH thrice, aluminum hydroxide gives Al plus 3 OH minus ion. Acidity will be 3 due to 3 OH ion, OH minus ion. So acidity will be 3. That's why it is called tri-acid base. Tri means 3. Now neutralization reaction. When acids reacts with bases to form salt and water, this is called neutralization reaction. Example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, this is sodium hydroxide base, give NaCl plus H2O. Formation of salts takes place. Name of salt is sodium chloride, and this is called neutralization reaction. Some more concepts of acids and bases. First, Lewis concepts of acids and base. According to Lewis concept, electron acceptor are Lewis acids. Electron donor are Lewis base. For example, this is BF3 and this is NH3. Suppose BF3 is Fakir, NH3 is Amir. Rich man have all the property, but poor man have nothing else. Same like that, in case of BF3, central atom is boron, atomic number of boron is 5, electronic composition, according to electronic composition, first cell contains 2 electrons and second cell contains 3 electrons. In valence cell, 3 electrons in boron, and second fluorine, atomic number 9. Electron, according to electronic composition, first cell contains 2 electrons and second cell contains 7 electrons. Now F3, so first F fluorine have 7 electrons, second fluorine also have 7 electrons, and third fluorine have also 7 electrons. It shares with boron electron to complete their octet. Same things also apply here. Now octet of fluorine is completed, but boron have total 6 electrons are present. For octet, requirement of 2 electron. So this is electron deficient. Electron deficient. In case of NH3, atomic number of nitrogen 7. According to electronic composition, first cell contain 2 electrons and second cell contain 5 electrons. Means valence cell have 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen have only 1 electron. Atomic number of hydrogen will be 1. Now octet of nitrogen will be completed and duplet of hydrogen also completed. But these electrons are called lone pair electron. Lone pair electron or unshared electron. Here two electrons are extra, means this is electron rich compound. That's why this is called amir. In boron only 6 electron deficient compound, that's why it is called fakir. So now boron have to complete their octet, so NH3 will give 2 electrons to boron. So NH3 will be electron donor and BF3 will be electron acceptor. BF3 is electron acceptor. The electron acceptors are called Lewis acids. Electron donors are called Lewis base. Now Bronsted-Lowry concept. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, proton donor are acids. Example HCl, which gives H plus Cl minus, which gives H plus ion, and H plus ion is also called proton. Now proton acceptor are called bases. Example NH3. Now HCl reacts with NH3 to give Cl minus plus NH4 plus. This is acid, NH3 is base, this is conjugate base, and this is NH4 plus ion is conjugate acids. H plus ion, NH3 accepts H plus ion to give NH4 plus ion. That's why it is called Bronsted base. Please like, share